There are two ways to create a supplier. The first is from the product itself. We open the product, drop down the supplier field, and choose New Supplier. We type the name and save. The second way is in the Shopping tab, under Supplier Orders. We set up South Coast Seafood with all its details. The contact person, the phone with its country code, that's the number orders will go out to on WhatsApp, the email, the order cutoff time, the delivery days, the minimum order, and a note. We scroll down to the shopping list with what we need for the upcoming events. Now that everything has a supplier, we group it by supplier. If you handle purchasing outside the app, you can mark it all as ordered and be done. To order from here, we press New Order, choose the supplier, and the draft arrives filled in. What the events need, plus restocking for anything below minimum. Review and adjust whatever's needed. You can add lines by hand, even if they're not in the catalog. Remove what you don't want and leave the supplier a note. We create the draft. Here's the order with its lines and its total. To send it, you can copy it, print it, and if your supplier works on WhatsApp, one tap. The chat opens with their number and the order already written. Once it's reviewed, we approve it. We mark it as sent, so there's a record of exactly where it stands. The day the delivery arrives, we press receive and, with the delivery note in front of us, adjust what actually came in. We confirm, and the order is marked received. An order that isn't going out can be cancelled. It stays in the history, or deleted entirely if it was a mistake.